Hold up there. Hold up for me there. Hold it there for me there. Yard beat. See me chicken there and I'm convertible. Me chicken there for pull up and come all of us in the world of one part there. So far. Because you know the sitting for one part there. Big up bitch. So big artist, you know the sitting for you. You swear me and say, one of us Wednesday, you swear me and say, kick it back for me there again now daddy, because you know I'm crazy artist for the girl later man. You swear me and say, no you know I rush here, you see it? Hey. I green up in my brain. Good. I push the eagle in my vein. Yeah man. Get the light for the place for the trees that are Gaza Escobar. When you go to the radio, you know one of us went so with it. Yes sir, be a side. Every Wednesday. Hey. Smoke a lot, fully class. Coconut, so high. Smoke a lot, fully class. Coconut, wait. Show the man and say replay man. Make your voice be right now man. Don't to no man. Yo. Yeah man, we here man, you know. All of us Wednesday, isn't it? Y'all need to pick up yourself, you know. Big excitement, highly class. Let's tomorrow, from now until then. High like protein. 1 pound. High grade green and pretty look. All of us Wednesday, you know. Make a mark like fluorine. Strong like chlorine. Cause I'm so important. To live me like morphine. That's why me smoke a lot. Weak like coconut. So high. No, you know it's time to dedicate talking to your God now, come on, right? What up, man? Pick up what up, some man say, big up Gaza, some man there, pick up the word, man. Some man there, sing it, some man say Escobar, sing it, big up to the word. No, to the man. When you hear about Island Chad, you know Island Chad I say kicking, and it's a music called kicking. No to, why is that this one? Oh, if I watch I run on. Yeah man, what are vibes with them man? You see, the guys about no fast and check it, that's it. Yeah man, no to, RFPs. Check it. You know the stage show so kick off from one part. Yeah! No to no man. Level Valentine. You know they sitting go. Father Yardie. Bad girl and big bumper. Pretty cute face of the fuck. Hey. Ride it. No to. Bubble up now. Hey. Never girl boss is a nut. Hey. Take some God global in a you. Don't play with the thing in a you. Girl we suck her flick. Can I jazz me a bust her feet? No to. She a bad freak. Easy. Suck her feet. We are the wave like Hawaii. Girl I give the pussy no warning. No pussy in my face, me no fuck and kiss. Girl still a suck me the no. Yes sir. She make the question disappear in seconds. Land up your tenant, she a she clever. She know for shake it pleasant, make it worse in it. Hey. She blow my better fucking intellectual passage. I examine the way girl, pure reflection. The mirror say right my better. Me love every girl, but me have a type me prefer. Bad girl and big bumper. No. Pretty cute face of the fuck that. Ride it. Bubble up now. I don't know, I'm not familiar with everybody here. I'm just coming. So, yeah, for the Western Union and Entertainment Sport Bar. So I big up Island Chad now. So, all of vibes. Yeah man, so I'm blessed up each and every one. So this song here is with Jamaica. I want you is this second act, and I am so happy. That's what I feel about what I may experience in Jamaica, and that's what I feel about Jamaica people. So big up Permar. Soundman, play the tune. Jamaica, the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, the lovely paradise in the beautiful land. I love to sing some
I've heard about the Jamaican people are friendly. Line up for fun. In Jamaican people are happier. I've heard about everyone loves.
What about them song again now one more time? How are you doing? Anyway. Your song bad mama. And when the man was asleep, them asleep on your thing run on one part. Kick them in them face again, mama. No to no man, do it no man. All of us Wednesday with them. Jamaica, yard beat.
Big up, Wednesday vibes. To Jamaica. Here I am, yeah? A dream come true. Big up, Jamaica, Jamaica. The land I love to know, Jamaica. That's the land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, Jamaica, an earthly paradise. In the musical land, I love to sing some of my life. I've heard about the Jamaican people are friendly. I know for fact, yes I know, Jamaican people are happier. I've heard about that everyone loves reggae music. And I know for fact that I can overdose to the reggae. Jamaica, sweet Jamaica, the land I love no idea. Jamaica, that's not the way the reggae music flows. When I first arrived, I remember the sun was shining. I went to the station, took a train from Montego Bay. Now I know my journey to Kingston City, the rain was falling. And I found myself singing a brand new reggae song. Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love to know. Why you say Jamaica? You're that land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, I love Jamaica, and I got paradise. In the musical land, I love to sing some of my life. Whoa, 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 whoa.
£1 them song are not normal. All of you say, kicking. It's a musical kicking. Anabi, away from Anabi. And if you tell them how them can find you on social media, Anabi.
Okay. I am right now one of my tunes kicking up the top called Tomorrow on Apple iTunes. And I am on YouTube, wait for quite a few tune people. I don't know, there's so many Anna B in the media, so many singers. So me I go Anna B now. And yeah, you can find me on YouTube with a big tune called Stir It Up. And another tune called Live in the Ghetto where I take off as well. This is my working on my 5th album, so I'm so glad to be here. Hopefully I will accomplish this album in Jamaica, if I agree, if the people of Jamaica agree with me.
Yeah, I agree.
And when I say Anabi, right now you would even know that song there right now, you can't even move again without even sing that song there one more time. Because that song they shot. Right now, the right place they promote your album and the right place they do your something. So what I say? Because you say it's a land of dancehall and reggae music. So you see from we accept your something, which we do, because we love your song and we love how it a shot, mama. Right now, your thing gone a road. And all of us Wednesday with the big up pilot to the chat, you know the thing set. RFTC, you know the sitting set. Big up Dutch run around part there, you know the sitting go run around part there. So me I say, Anabi, sing back the song one more time for us. Please, the song bad. £1, do it and done. Now to.
One love. Big up. Yes, to Jamaica. You have no idea, yeah? Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, Jamaica, an earthly paradise. In the musical land, I love to sing some of my life. I've heard about the Jamaican people are friendly. I know for fact that in Jamaican people are happy. Now heard about that everyone loves reggae music. I know for fact that I can overdose to the reggae. Jamaica, sweet Jamaica, the land I love to never place like Jamaica. I try my reggae music. Jamaica, the sweetest place so far in the world. The safest I remember the sun was shining. I went Jamaica straight. Look at the world. Keep back the good work on my journey. No one that is different. The safest place in the earth. Yeah. Singing a brand new Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, Jamaica, an earthly paradise. In the musical land, I love to sing some of my life. I'm so excited, my ticket is booked, I better stop again. I don't need no winter clothes, no Levi's, no boots. And I don't know why, I just keep dreaming about it. Waking up in the island, knowing reggae isn't a problem. Jamaica, Jamaica, more than Jamaica, I should land when the reggae music flows. I can't forget when I slept by the river, and when I danced under the Grand River wall.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Away down some of one voice, I say. That tune is big and bad. Anything represents the Jamaica mama. We love it. I say we born angry. So me I say, so sing back the song for me one more time. Respect.
Yes, Jamaica. I sing the song as long as I live, yeah? There's no place like Jamaica, yeah? Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, Jamaica, an earthly paradise. In the musical land, I love to sing some of my life. I've heard about the Jamaican people are friendly. I know for fact that in Jamaican people are happier. I've heard about that everyone loves reggae music. I know for fact that I can go back on to the reggae. Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae music flows. Just for more, when I first arrived, I remember the sun was shining. I went to the station, took a train from Montego Bay. Now all on my journey to Kingston City, the rain was falling. And I found myself singing a brand new reggae song. Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae music flows. Jamaica, Jamaica, an earthly paradise. Safest place on earth right now, yeah. I love to sing some of my life. Oh, 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 oh. isn't a problem. Jamaica, Jamaica, the land I love. Jamaica, Jamaica, that's the land where nobody say you're sorry. Nobody not problem. I can't forget when I stay by the river, and when I dance under the River Falls. Now I'm strolling out the hill where the sun was shining, singing through the melody of my reggae song. Jamaica, 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 the land I love to know. Jamaica, that's the land where the reggae flows. Jamaica, Jamaica.
No, man. Give it up for Annie Bay, man. Right now, your song gone Jamaica, the song the bad. I'm love for you come premiere it. I will have Vibes Wednesday. You know what I say? Say you know, say the stage show about for kick off. Round a one part there. When you say £1, you did find the record song, I will go drop it out when the stage show done round a one part the car. Tight pay, man, you know I had sitting there for the girl round a one part. After this, the stage show will kick off. You know the song I have to premiere it to the world. Record sing. Tight pay. You know what I Vibes Wednesday with it.
What I'm saying? Teamwork make the dream work. Say real team.
Take it to the
record. Make it go on now.
Oh.
Girl, you know your face is nothing nice. But you loving good it at the tight.
No.
Slide and rhythm come right there.
No.
Don't jump off and me like it.
No.
Girl, you know your face is nothing nice. But you loving good it at the tight. Slide and rhythm come right there. Don't jump off, cause me like it. Girl, I give me loving by the hour.
What about them song I give you one
loving by the shower.
No, too. I'm kind of speed it up a bit there. Cause you know what I Vibes Wednesday with it. They got mix the excitement on the ground. You know the sitting go.
What I'm saying? Teamwork make the dream work.
Alright, let's go this
one. If a real team, make it go on.
Tell them now, man.
Girl, you know your face is nothing nice,
No, too.
but you loving good it at the tight,
Yeah.
Slide and rhythm come
that's
right,
God,
don't jump off, and me like it. Girl, you know your face is nothing nice,
No, too.
but you loving good it at the tight,
Yeah.
Slide and rhythm come right, don't jump off, and me like it. Girl, I give me loving by the hour. Take a little loving at the shower.
Come on and share it.
And the weed give me power.
You know.
Girl, I stop off your mama. Girl, your body tight, body tight, body tight.
Yeah.
Girl, your body tight, body tight, body tight.
No.
Oh, your pretty body fit that jeans, that's alright. First class, love it, take it on a low flight.
Listen.
Girl, you know your face is not the nicest, but you loving good, it's tight, tight. Slide on rhythm, come right there. Don't jump off, come like it. Girl, you know your face is not the nicest, but you loving good, it's tight. Slide on rhythm, come right there. Don't jump off, come like it. Vibes down, be a scout. Make you don't need dope. Dance, we a dance, dance through.
Record us it.
Stay in your face, me no mass up. Keep your body moving, don't bother stop. Keep your back straight, no bother lean up. Get your body pretty like a dolly tico.
Hey.
Dancer, select a wheel up.
Hold on, say you're so bad boy.
Come up.
Girl, you know your face is not the nicest,
but you loving good it at the tightest.
Oh, so bad, man.
Rhythm come right there.
No to no man.
Don't jump off, me like it. Girl, you know your face is not the nicest, but you loving good it at the tightest.
£1. £1. Put up the song there. Yo, a record of this original singing bee from back in the days. Yo, me, you come and mix it with the video. Record a reprimand this from back in the days. I say your transform. Your transform like Optimus Prime. That one you're gone. You understand? I love it and I love the flow. I love it. Record continue the work there. Pay back £1. Big song. A song you gone to the world. You know the sitting go on one part. What of us saying?
Teamwork make the dream work. It's a real team.
No to no
real team make it go on now.
I go.
Girl, you know your face is not the nicest.
Father, you
be. Loving good it at the tightest. Slide and rhythm come right there. Don't jump off, come me like it. Girl, you know your face is not the nicest, but you loving good it at the tightest. Slide and rhythm come right there. Don't jump off, come me like it. Girl, I give me loving at the hour. Make you lick your love in the shower.
No.
Any and the weed give me power. Girl, no stop off your mama. Girl, your body tight, body tight, body right. Girl, your body tight, body tight, body tight. Oh, your pretty body fit the jeans, that's alright. First class love, you take it on a low flight. Girl, you know your face is not the nicest, but you loving good it at the tightest. Slide pan with him come right there. Don't jump off, me like it. Girl, you know your face is not the nicest, but you loving good it at the tightest. Slide pan with him come right there. Don't jump off, me like it.
You see what me I say? £1 what more you for do. You see the rest of the song that we're going to premiere them after we finish, right? So what we're going to do now, more you find a one drop rhythm for me cause more I'm going around a one part. Alright then. You know one of us Wednesday we're there and we are kick it round a one part. So me I say, one of us Wednesday. So me I go bring cross, me I go bring cross. Sing fast, me I go sing fast. Bring cross, me I go bring cross. Sing fast, me I go sing fast. Never Valentine, Valentine. Never Valentine, Valentine. Well a vice when say you will a good time. Well a vice when say you will a good time. Woman a shady in the bar, she so fine. Yard beat with the camera so fine. Mix it excitement video she so fine and what a vibe when they be so and me say I literally out there and it's so fine and we so fine and we are do it so fine and you better go say you're not crying man. Never Valentine what you say you kick it off daddy great and done man.
Last year I have an album named Empress Woman. See now all social media platform just check it out Spotify and them things there. See? Yeah man, so I want to check it out, my album, latest, see? Will! Yes I am. So that's yes I want to check out my album, see? Another Valentine live and direct, saying a summer date. So that's you know. There is a picture on another one. My heart cries out. You know that you were gone. Is it have to be there? Still lonely on another one. As I watch you walk through the door, I always goodbye to you. My heart cries out. You know that you were gone. Will it have to be there? Still on the wall. There is a picture hanging on the wall. My heart cries out. To know that you were gone. Will it have to be there? Still on the wall. People said I'm a fool, the way people pass to you, but they leave me a picture on the wall. Does it have to be there, still on the wall? Let's do wobble, let's do fine, rock it Valentine, and moving on the line. Hey, 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 let's do bubble girl, let's do wine, rock it Valentine. Let's do bubble girl, and I know to wine, rock it Valentine. Let's do bubble girl, and I know to wine, rock it Valentine. Let the bubble girl, I don't know the way and rock it for the time. Let the bubble wobble, let the wine, rock it for the time. And move it on the line. Limbo, limbo, in the dancer style. When Valentine only make the dancer catch a fire. Celestia, Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Somalia. Yeah, me know. Don't need to be going the sense they come from. Babylon now read up all the sense in me not come. Some of them are one and them are read that wrong. Babylon, Babylon, Lego up a Gennex man, Lego up a Rasta man. Oh yeah, up a yo, oh yeah, la la, oh yeah, oh yeah. God is a sense of mania. God is a sense of mania. Yeah, me know. Pity them no know that you ready man I love that. I've been passport and got him visa. Jump in a tuta with a palisade. Make a swing ride to America. Yankee them a bum it in a way that Jalowa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, God is a sense of Somalia. Yeah, me know. From Jamaica where the sense come from. Babylon I read up all the sense in Somalia come. Some of them are going like them a read talk wrong. Oh yeah, oh yeah, God is a sense of Somalia. Yeah, me know. Pity them no know that you get him and I love that. And the passport and the got him visa. Jump in a tuta with a palisade. Pity them a going in a with a Jalowa. Oh yeah, oh yeah. God is a sense of failure. Yeah, me know. Don't in Jamaica where the sense he come from. Yeah, you know how sense it. Earth man. Hustling, see? Mr. Money Man. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Money Man, Money Man. I beg you please help the poor man. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mr. Money Man, Money Man. I beg you give us a helping hand. Living in a ghetto, in one room flat. Why you miss the money man? Living in a big mansion, and we are in the ghetto, buying travel wall. And you miss the money man, driving a fancy car. I'm just a money man, and you can tell the situation. I'm just a money man, I'm begging people to help me, Mr. Money Man, Mr. Money Man. Oh, leave the ghetto in one place. Why you miss the money man, living on big mansion, and we are in the ghetto, fighting tribal war. And you miss the money man, driving on fancy car. Oh, Mr. Money Man, and you can solve the situation until the end. Oh, Mr. Money Man, I beg you keep us helping man. Mr. Money Man, come in.
No to this and every Valentine man. We only mic and then we date tonight no crime man. I will love 5 spend take will end of the prime man. I know we shot it 1 time and 2 time and 3 time and 4 time. The full of lyrics, full of rhyme. Pull up that for me there. Cause you know I will have 5 spend every day. Miss and every Valentine's. Where you say you have your new album out. Some more you tell the fans about them can't find you. Cause we have to move to next artist. Cause the time going, you know they sitting go around at one part.
Yeah man, just check out Spotify and you find me there. Empress Woman, the album name. And my latest album, see me have another one named Rasta Disciple. You have another one named Mama Africa and Rasta Man. Check out the world in his hand. Give thanks to life. Cause I live and praise Jah. I just praise him continually every time. Yeah? Yeah. Rastafari. Ever living, never fear, never sure.
Ever sure. All of Vibes Wednesday with there. Yes, so me I say my cousin come on so. Cause him body now him kick up the road for me other day, you know. Then I'm blood, you know. But have my blood in him, you know. Come introduce to the world and make them know what I go on. Cause you know all of Vibes Wednesday with there and time ago. So kick the sitting like a ball, man, in them face. Alright, hold on there. Good night, everybody. A boy worried. One bone. You know it's it go. You don't know, man. Big man. Bread, I got bread now. You look a boy made ya. Big man, a bread, I got bread, yeah. Bread, I got bread, big man, a bread, I got bread, big man, a bread, I got bread, yeah. Cut up in a your hole in a your soul now. Bread, I got bread, yeah. Oh, you put the good big man in a day. Big man, a bread, I got bread, yeah. Cut up in a your hole in a your soul now. Bread, I got bread, yeah. Oh, you put the good big man in a day. Love you when you sit and you talk and you sit and you jump on me thing, you fit it and fit out, yeah. As a big woman, you know you got it, so you can't stand it, come on, buy it, go pan your back. When you go pan your back, now my papa, you love that 630 band cut, me know you see that. Turn your back, way you put in my big cock. Fuck you so hard, you a beg me no stop. As a big woman, yeah, you know me know to walk your hand. When me a walk, you know tell me stop, fuck you, yeah. I saw you love the little youth up in your belly, and that's why you say you want breathe. Bread, I got bread, yeah. Cause I up in a your hole in a your soul now. Bread, I got bread, yeah. With your pussy good big woman in all it. Big woman a bread, I got bread, yeah. Cause I up in a your hole in a your soul now. Bread, I got bread, yeah. With your pussy tight big woman in all it. As a big woman, you know you got it, so see them on the cocky. Me know you love to ride it, cause you call yourself a jockey. Now your belly when me, you go send it hard like a rocket. Me dig it and me stop it, you a tell me send you stop it. When me dig it and me stop it, you a jump like only rabbit. You tell me that the boy never make you feel so happy, yeah. If he never make you feel so happy, that means that the boy nah no cocky. Big woman a bread, I got bread, yeah. That's your hard little stuff. Yeah. Everything know a boy worried, you know. Yeah. How we deal with badness? How we deal with badness? Real badness, low steel badness. Dog a one dice, the eyesight my badness. Rich badness, and no snitch badness. One badness, no other. Yard bait, man knock it down. Baby kill a nigga, squeeze the berry to shot me and no like dinner. Boy when you're dead, that all you gone in. For sure you set man a real killer. Yeah man a for your word. See from over your boy you for dead. Yeah man a for your word. Hold up back again then. One more time because you know time ago. So kick the sitting hard in them face and wear around some of you are forward that come from so. Now if you come get you pull up youth. 1 pound, father yard beat. Yeah. Father yard beat. From them this them a feed daily now. But them know about badness. Real badness, low steel badness. Dog a one dice, them eyesight my badness. Rich badness, and no snitch badness. One badness, no other. Trees young, man a killer. Baby kill a nigga. Squeeze the berry to shot me and don't like it now. Boy when you're dead, that all you gone in now. To show you say man a real killer. Yeah man a for your way. Pussy from over your boy you for dead. Yeah man a for your way. From your DC me bust out your head. Yeah man a for your head. Anywhere you run go me eagle conk your junk you fling up on the ground sir. Yeah man a for your head now. Pussy you fit know me love me eagle. Anyway me squeeze this figure what the he come to me shove tray in a bob tray in a head top. Some know my crimes so you're gone to bad. And when we murder people dog we no mad. Some boy for your dicks be fucked so we born bad. Cheese gang so we born bad. Rashi did bad. You feel no yeah man a for your bed. You see from your body your boy you for dead. Yeah man a for your bed. From your disc me bust out your way. Yeah man a for your way. Anywhere you run go me eagle conk your junk you fling up on the ground so. For real. Yeah man a for your way. No pussy from a little. Make a Smith and Wesson. From bed is the fling shot in a wetto. Make your blood a boil like water in a kettle. You for no more bad pussy man never drink for whistle. Fling shot in your weather, make your mother jump out. Now your big pussy girl raptor. And you should have know how my badness go. And you should have never tried this money now. Yeah man, for your work. Pussy from your body, you take boy off for dead. Yeah man, for your work. From your this man, move out your way. Yeah man, for your work. I know that, yo, that shit that goes about.
That piece already did.
Right now, my sister people don't really know that. I keep myself to myself. And I'm my own piece of castle here. Nobody me no want it right now. Me see the people can't hear right now. Oh, first me see them fake like wow. Nobody me not trust them. Me send you to the door. So it me now cause the killer man me now fuck. If I ratch it me I should be now your friend neck first. When me pull up on your foot dog I you me a shoot. But the jump a gun me know a blood you a few. That's why me not do like people. Cause me always a pray evil. And it's just a bit I vote a vehicle. When them people left me mood and me left me in. Yeah, in my own zone. Tell them don't fuck around.
Oi! Chicken! Oi! In the power the artist. It ain't no normal. Do remember all our vibes Wednesday and support the bar, right? Don't be a screaming or a whole heap of artists there. Chop it fast from artists. Don't know so Gaza G son want a piece with you, right?
Drop it there. Hold on there. Yes, the Gaza G son want one with me. That's not so nice, but you know what it go. Badness. You know it. Early chat. I'm glad you're there in your own zone. And you run up with the people. Rashidi. I'm glad you're in your own zone too, you know. Boss out. All be aside. One team. Nobody me now want see right now. Me see the people can't hear right now. Oh, worse me see them fake like wow. Nobody me not trust them. Me send you to the door. Watch it me now cause the killer man me now cause. If I watch it me I should be now your friend neck first. When I pull up on your hook dog I you me a shoot. But they just a gun me know a blood you a puke. That's why me not do like people. Cause me always a pray evil. And it doesn't make I vote now vehicle. When the film left me mood and never left me in. Yeah, in my own zone. Tell them don't fuck around now. In my own zone. From your this one I turn you in a circus clown. In my own zone. Tell them don't fuck around now. In my own zone. From your this body lost them try find like you know. Try this and feel like say me a believe it. Pop it out and chick it up and squeeze it. Mother ball out and I say you never mean it. Father run out and I say oh you mean give me it. Cause it's a youth and the trouble people. And when people trouble it is like waking to pick me off evil. Yeah, you fucking idiot. Boy, yeah, in my own zone. Tell them don't fuck around now. In my own zone. From your this man I turn you in a circus clown. In my own zone. Tell them don't fuck around, no, in my own zone. I know this body lost them try find like John. Your friend could have run buggy information a station. For them see cheese man, them see the whole gang. Grenade in a station, book down the station. Smooth like lotion, buckle book carry you fi know at the motion. If me never trouble you, I can trouble me for murder you. I'm a motivation, bust out your wings and I'm a rock and a bullet like from Jamaica to America. Pussy you fi know that, you can't sight me badness no. And if you try, I sight my badness up like you. Own a zone. Tell them dogs that you leave me alone. Own a zone. Make them feel like someone ever left the crew. No Rashidi, own a zone. And them this way you have done them in a circus clown. Own a zone. Make Google iron dog them boy. Nobody me now want to say right now. Big up your side. You know it going. I see it.
Hold up that there. Come here back. I ain't tell the people I want to find a pan and sit around at one part. Tell the people I want to find around at one part.
Alright, what you know? You know what you think go. Instagram boy Warred. You see me? Facebook Stefan Stone. Okay, you know what you think go. From them look at time them I promote it. But you know what you think go. Soon have one out, own a zone. As they can hear it. Soon out. You see me I say? People who just look out for it. You see it? Fresh, unknown artist too. You don't know where you go.
Bad.
I used to one of us Wednesday, we are sending all of the talent them to the road. £1, I read him the radio beat on one part there. Sky. Aye. Come in, come kick them in them face on one partner, man. You can't find a rhythm back one part. Alright, good. Where you say about the artist?
You know, really like, pick up yourself for a shady, you know what I think? You ready? You don't know a Sky High, the lyrical magician attack, you know, man. Big up everybody from West Bay, big up everybody who come all the vibes now Wednesday, you hear that? Well, I'm tell you what me I pray, you know, I'm only me I pray. You see me I deal with me, I tell you lie. Watch out, man. Yo, man I pray one big black Benz spark up in my scheme. Big fat Kyle for your stuff in my jeans. Also for the money but no go down by your knee. My friend them would tell me if I fuck with me I pray. Me say big black Benz spark up in my yard. Girl just drop when me worry the garage. Also for the money we are hustle very hard. My friend them would tell me, hey, watch out, me grow wild like orangutan. If you no name crocodile then I go understand. The things so many got them been through. Yeah, me cross long before me was a ganja man. But me... Man, I'm only me a free man, I lie me a tell. Sky High, the lyrical magician, you hear that? Watch out, man. What? In real life, man. Don't know, you know, man, I want ground West Bay. Side. Our place that. A lyrical magician says so. Ready, man. Sky High. Money we are pretty dead. Uncle Sass, big up yourself in our building. Big black Benz spark up in my scheme. Big fat Kyle for your stuff in our jeans. Watch a man, a lyrical magician attack, you know, you are going. Hey! Man I pre one big black Benz spark up in my scheme. Big fat Kyle for your stuff in our jeans. Hustle for the money but no go down by your knee. My friend them would tell me if I fuck with me I pray. Me say big black Benz spark up in my yard. Girl just drop when me worry the garage. Hustle for the money we a hustle very hard. My friend them would tell me yo, hey, me grow wild like orangutan. If you don't name crocodile then I go understand. The things how many got them been through. Yeah, my first long before me was a ganja man. But me have to level up like me the other one. Me still not go skip the line and touch a man bottom. Me rather see me look up in the middle of pan just to make me stand there like I'm a rat. Man I pre one big black Benz spark up in my scheme. Big fat tall for your stuff in our jeans. Hustle for the money but not go down by your knee. My friend them would tell me if I fuck with me I pray. Big black Benz spark up in my yard. Girl just drop when me worry the garage. Hustle for the money, yo. I bust out the media now, watch it. Hey, when me shoot, I no miss my boss, my gun no dynamic. So try no this, no bad that take that kind of risk. The crocodile, the more and more, no bad that feel the five. The miss my boss, my gun make man I run like 100 meter finalist. A lyrical magician. That's you now story, not done yet, man. That's you now bumbo class story, what you pray? Hey, yo. Alright, me gonna tell you how it started now. My book a girl I come from work, she did a walk alone. Made it want to stop her, but she'd across the road. She not bad that. Alright, you see my chance now. More I calm down and say baby can we talk alone. She start frowns and sister moving like a stalker, yo. Miss a girl, I'm not a stalker, me just want to know if you're taken and me not start the show. Pull up that again. Pull up the story. A lyrical magician says so man. I really like Sky High. I give you about the story from top again, you know ready? From top. Watch out, man. Hey, alright. Hey, alright. Hey, alright. Me gonna tell you how it started now. My book a girl I come from work, she did a walk alone. Me did want to stop her, but she'd across the road. She not bad that. Alright, you see my chance now. More car down and say baby can we talk alone. She starts the phones and sister moving like a stalker, yo. Miss a girl, I'm not a stalker, me just want to know if you're taken and me not at the show. She start to laugh, her face start to glow. She asks me what my name, so my answer slow. The first a Mark and the last a Brown. She asks me where my work, to Ross you know. Me no work but me have to tell her say some part of town. Yeah dog, me can't make the thing look water down. Cause nowadays girl all them want a phone. Them can't be proud. Yeah. A lyrical magician man, big up all everybody out there, hear that? Association, let's have fun. That's it.
Hold up, my man. Sky High. You know, well of us Wednesday, you know, I don't know how you forget the name a while ago. Come over and party now, man. Sky High. You know you want to put more future star.
Which is right.
You see what I say? More you tell the world how to find up on the web. You see what I say? Because so we do it.
Well, you don't know a Sky High. If you walk up on the YouTube, you know, we have a new song out right now. Brand new video named Talk. So go look for that. If you want to find me on the Instagram, you type in Sky High Music _ You see me I deal with? Alright.
Now to no man, you know what the fights Wednesday with there, you know. Color bands can kick them in their face or in one part the car. You know the time I go in, you know we have to speed up the sitting. I let to the chad. You know the sitting go on one part, the road bend. You know you're up on the ground, you know, you saw me and say, where you say? Very much, man.
Manners Rashidi. I let chat, stay so. Now to the man, Ruben, stay so. The artist, Hunter. Big artist, stay so, Mitzi. Yeah, man, run a one part, the yard date. Them for no color, banks. Get them life and say thanks. Boom, them afraid of me. Yeah, man, Sky bad. Just two man I chop them afraid of me. Them say skilly bang, fear for me. Me not fi send a man. Me alone pull up on a yang. Them afraid of me. Just two man I chop them afraid of me. Them say skilly bang, fear for me. Me not fi send a man. A color to the bang bang. The 14 o'clock make your head a jump smoke. Me no run joke when you see this sniper with the scope. Worse when me buck you, tongue a gun boat. Tie you with a rope through your half so you can't float. This one to grow for you. Hey, pull it up from top there, what that? Give me the rave there. Big up Mitzi in high places. See me I say? Rashidi, highly chat, stay so. Them don't know the things, stay so. You see me I say? Big up the artist over there so. Father Dero. You don't know. And the hunter. You see me? So we hunt it up with them, you know. You see? Grime away. Alright, you may kick it off. Boom! Wire them? Watch me diamond through them in a fire then. Boss on! Wire them? Coulda shout out them, coulda say them prayer then. Sky! Wire them. Them coulda shout out them, coulda say them prayer then. Wire them. The whole them look for life get expired then. Boom! Sniper rifle man in a shootout. Grenade by me pants bet that will group out. This idle chat young not in a shootout. War start, me kick for your tooth out. What you my gun clap can even take with themselves. Them see them a kill them. Chop up with the bell. Head bust. Just like buckle pan a shelf. Tuggy Kim 15. Me Kim about 12. Boom! Wire them. Watch me diamond to them in a fire then. Wire them. Coulda shout out them, coulda say them prayer then. Wire them. The more them look for life get expired. Wire them. Coulda shout out them, coulda say them prayer. Boom, me now go a back road tonight. The little money I fi put on the light. Me and me landlord almost smash dash, yeah. Walla J Park, we not talk, West Bay. Hear me no man, Portmore. Bust out, stairs up. Them know where I roll when me I roll. Is it? Boom! Platinum chain man I wear. Every day, 10 girl a come on me ear. Every day, me try big car run a spear. Every day, all type of class. Run a one part. Boom! Platinum chain man Rashidi. 10 girl a come out him ear. Him try big car run a spear. All type of clocks man I wear. Boom! Look for me teeth and my gum. All platinum straight down to my lungs. All platinum, want a platinum girl with a platinum kiss. Platinum band with the rims them. Try out the range, the hardest and funny. Tell her me say with the G when it rain or it. Them say oh you need some and just sweet like honey. But do she tell me that man I go move funny. Boom! Platinum chain man I wear. 10 girl a come out me ear. Me try the car run a spear. All type of clocks man I wear. Boom! Platinum chain man I wear. Every day 10 girl a come out me ear. Every day me try the car run a. Hear me man? Stepping on the street, then me fly the NOC. Clean and out, just to make the girl them see. Anyway the girl them see me, call a banks them call me. Them know what? Kick it from top. Let me give them something different. Alright, you are going, run a one part. Take up yourself, I'll chat. And have it. Stay up. Boss out. You know the thing them can't just out. Boom, once me have life, me nice. You walk with a 1 pound of rice. More for your bling bling with ice. More for your me Lexus a drive. Boom, once me have life. You a coulda 1 pound of rice. More for your bling bling with ice. More for your Lexus a jive. Look how Father God good, look how Father God great. In Father God never put all no faith. Gone a foreigner come back in the place. Pinky Lexus all a park on the street. F-150 yellow park. Smash dash cash. From top. Kick it back again. Different shit. Hear me now, man? Big up yourself, Skybad. And I don't know www.com. Type in RFTC now too. You see me I say? Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Colabang, same way. Now too. Once me have life, you a coulda 1 pound of rice. More for your bling bling with ice. More for your Lexus a jive. Who wants me have life? You a coulda 1 pound of rice. You a go on. We want money, life is on honey. We get the money, we not move funny. When we make the money, help the blind, the dummy. Then we buy a big car and surprise mommy. Highly chat, tell it high grade, and it ever come me. When we feel fast, smart more choose for the money. Go here, come in front, the judge, me no bummy. We want jive friend, partners and sunny. Once me have life, you a coulda 1 pound of rice. Smash dash, cash. Yeah, man.
Where you pull it up for? 1 pound. Where you pull it up for? Where you pull it up for? 1 pound. Where you pull it up for? 1 pound. Colabang, you see me? You see me? My face is now sitting place. Highly chat, your face is now sitting. Cause no girl can't sit in the place of mine. Give a bit an inch on the waist of mine. How me writing like grape and pine from the face 69 every day like. No girl can't sit in the face of mine. Give a bit an inch on the waist of. How me write it like grape and pine from the place 69 every day like. Cause I think enough the bite and enough the taste. When you raise a waist and I use a face, we gun in a waist. Put it in a face, said that if I'm hurt and I go a space, the hungry to bullet, they go a taste. Said that you don't care, said that you don't care, still I eat it raw. Cut up and the glitter go kill her. But my family now, never and in a deal lion, cause no girl can't sit in the face of.
You know my style and pattern. And they can't buck that. Tell them say, Sky High. I just want to go piece where I get them and come. But I don't tell them this right now. You don't know. Alright then. Tell them say rockstar, lifestyle, mine not make it. Crazy thing we got them in the White House naked. Look at my clothes, what it says right now. Get up on a beat, smoke it like wow. Put it in the country, then make a 2-bar toast bandit. Yeah, bad artist, got you. Whoosha. Yeah, you know say it's Boltaro. You know say me there in one place around one part over here so. You know say a Manchester artist. You know from Swabizop near Spur Tree there so. Alright. Run the rhythm them selector. Cause you know Cello Empire there, Cello Entertainment there. Whoosha. Cello. So friend free. Boltaro. How we go? Make your bumper it roll, girl. Bend your back, touch your toe, girl. Make your bumper it jump. Me and up on your waistline. You are one, me a wine along with you same time. And me a whisper in your ears, I tell you say, make we dey, oh. Hold up at that one more time. Yes, where the man said, Emma come from way around the one part there. What me say? I went there. All of us, yo, you're bad. You see that song here? It a kick them in them face hard. What you say I let to the chat? No to no man. What you say for you bad? What you say what? You bad, do you think no man? I let to the chat, what you say? Report! No to kick in! The youth bad, chop it again with family, you know, say all of our friends, alright? Rashidi, aka Highly Chat, kicking them out for me and y'all daily. Alright, remember, you know, a Boltaro. Cello. So, friend free, a Boltaro. How you go?
your bumper it roll, girl. Bend your back, touch your toe, girl. Make your bumper it jump. Me and up on your waistline. You are wine, me a wine along with you same time. And me a whisper in your ears, I tell you, say, hey, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them. Make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them. Me don't mind when you whine on me. I can feel the vibe that you're feeling, girl. It's the coconut mania. The coconut rum make you feel so. Coconut mania. The coconut rum make you tell me, hey, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them. Make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them. Me say down, they like come and she not go home. She dear me other telling me banana down. Me say down, they like come and she not go home. She dear me other telling me banana down. Make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them. Make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them, make with them. Miss down. They like come and she not go home. She dear me other telling me banana down. Miss down. They like come and she not go home. She dear me other telling me banana. Different. Yo, yo, last night when me got on me bed, me did get that dream, yeah. Guess what? Just last night me did get a money dream. Dream say me buy up more and steam, and me buy one house in a spiritual scheme. Yeah, me depend the money team. When you look you see the M in a me and niggle. Say you know see a money me need. Christmas a come, New Year it then year. Money man I look like every year. Right now, I the capital, I and I defend. When me talking capital, no letter capital. I the money me I thought me want it in my hands. Me want have millions like yeah. Canadians, US, Euro, England, pounds. Me dream say me go Ireland, I end up to find one pot of gold. Just last night me did get a money dream. Dream say me buy up more land scheme, and me buy one house in a spreadsheet scheme. Yeah, me depend the money piece. When you look you see the M in a me and niggle. Say you know see a money me need. Christmas a come, New Year it then year. Money man I look like every year. Increase. Me and me glass scratch me. All these come pitch for me. So that mean I might have to make some honey. Money, give me way and me make it. Yeah. Me nah no time for a pre-bad mind. Me a go fi me a go fi what's mine. If I war them I pretend them me plan land mine. Tell them fi the way of my kind. But last night me did get a money dream. Dream say me buy up more land scheme, and me buy one house in a spreadsheet scheme. Yeah, me depend the money team. When you look you see the M in a me and niggle. Say you know see a money me need. Christmas a come, New Year it then year. Money man I look like every year. Different. Me a make them know this thing. Michael Nichols them Archangela Boltaro. Nichols report. Oh gosh. This a the girl segment. The girl them ready to go party again. Make the girl them come take the dance floor. Me a tell someone me rush the girl them. Wait up. Tick-tock me want you, tick-tock me want you. Fi wine me girl bend all your back. Oh gosh. Girl bubble don't stop still a wine there. Do that. Guess what? 50 girl a call me, said they want give me the money. And me them want fi hold tonight. Hey, me get girl a sentence, me get girl a chillani. Me them want fi hold tonight. Well,
Any type of girl just bring them come. White or black, me with them fi fun. All Sasha she here and she a run come. So she want see this it we a bust like a bun. Coulda one chick girl me nah let her none. Anytime they ready just make them come. Beat me a beat like a drum. Fuck them high, make them boom boom numb. 50 girl a call me, said they want give me dinner. Eh, me no care when nobody wants it. Me got enough girl, me got plenty. Me a deal with them so gently. Any boy no want no girl, them better run away. And that's why me a look after Janice. Or too pretty, then me want squeeze. Me a tell you she look so damn sweet. If me no get it, got the vex to blood. Hey, me a fully pop, girl, me. Yo.
Well, if I went I'm say, well, if I went go with it. Well, if I went go with it. Well, if I went pull up that no £1. Yeah, man, and you know, so well, if I went with it. And then you see the live stream stage show go on every week. So £1. Can you line up that recorder song for me, please? You know, so I hate this, you know. You see what I say, because we not have a pass the time. You see what I say? But before we kick it in around part there, around there, say another gear there. You know, we are going to drop that song around one part there. Because you know, they sit and go. Big up all of the artists, them on the ground. You see what I say? You know, say thing I take time build every week. You see what I say? So, we not two ball on the sitting. £1. You know, we do the sitting around one part.
Yo,
hey,
like
you know, we have to premiere that one here.
Like new
Ricardo sing.
Hey,
John Rick.
Four corner bad.
You know the thing, go. No tuna man. Hey.
Ricardo.
No tuna man. I go. £1.
John Wick. All of the killing them kill like John Wick.
Yard baby.
If you right them chop off head quick. In your blood you a slide on slip. Come me miss a kill people quick. Kaboom.
Pull up at the song the one more time for me the yard. I will never
yo.
Ricardo sing.
Old badness can kill you just like new badness.
You know I will have fight.
Four corner badness. Night again.
No tuna man.
Ricardo.
Woman are shady. Hey.
John Wick. All of the killing them kill like John Wick.
No.
If some right them chop off head quick. In your blood you a slide on slip. Come me Mr. Kill people quick. Kaboom. Quick. All of the killing them kill like John Wick. If some right them chop off head quick. In your blood you a slide on slip. Come me Mr. Kill people quick. You don't want me and you know me kill quick. Mara drop a brown and I make people sick. Beat out the brains like when Jackie use way.
No to.
All of my friends my top shot a flip.
One phone, you don't say forward, one phone.
Road again,
you don't say forward. Ricardo sing.
Yo,
run your son.
John Wick can kill you just like new badness.
Yes, sir, I say, Ruben.
Four corner badness.
You know what the vibes went with it.
Ricardo.
No to no man. Sky Eye.
John Wick.
No.
All of the killing them kill like John Wick. This summer right them chop off head quick. In your blood you a slide on slip. Come me Mr. Kill people quick. Kaboom. Quick.
No.
All of the killing them kill like John Wick. This summer right them chop off head quick. In your blood you a slide on slip. Come me Mr. Kill people quick. You go want me and you know me kill quick.
No.
Mara drop a brown and I make people sick. Beat out the brains like when Jackie use whip. All of my friends my top shot a flip. Head off it chop off and throat off his slip.
No to no
man. Again past the Glock 19 quick. Work some mash me.
Brand new song.
Shot in your belly.
Ricardo sing.
Sick.
AKA singing.
All of the killing them kill like John Wick.
No to.
This summer ride them chop off head quick.
No.
In your blood you a slide on slip. Come in Mr. Kill people quick.
Kaboom.
Quick. All of the killing them kill like John Wick. This summer ride them chop off head quick. In your blood you a slide on slip. Come in Mr. Kill people quick. A two girl when we send come call you. Why kill you move and a flank you?
No, no, man.
In your chest that is your mama. Now in your face and say thank you. Dismember your body can't jump you. Body stars think we have to dump you.
You know say next trend. You do it back again. So me I say big up you Ian. Restaurant sports bar on one part. That want to me after me never did a drink around for a night. Big up Father Ian sports bar. US restaurant on one back part there on I sitting there. And big up all I vendor them on the ground. You see what me I say? I know say A Bayside with them. Right in the roundabout. You see what I say? Right. Next side, Mr. Ian Sports Bar. Wall of Ice Wednesday. Once you come in at the circle, you can't miss it. You see what I say? I log on to Father Yard Beat. Every Wednesday, him dip on the ground and make the something happen to you. You see what I say? Big up all of the supporters them. Big up all of the artists them who come through. We are invite all stars. Calling all stars. Come here so come exercise on a talent. A Wall of Ice Wednesday. Highly to the chat. Forward number G. Because you know you're part of the sitting and you make the sitting and go on too. So talk what go on. You see what I say? Mama not shade, you know the sitting go. Big up the man.
Yard Beat. Too much war in the universe. All I see is that the youths and blood thirst. Too much crime and poverty. Mash up the economy. Check the. So tell the youth them keep shaka hold of meditation. Enough of them wise are full of education. More progress and elevation. Jamaica people are dead. Kicking. Me say big up. All of the ones them on the panda side there. Cause them say them like Wagwan. And you know say next week. More of the ones them come out Shirley, right Shady. Hey, rich man I go rich, but me now run the red light, no time me now switch. Rich man I go rich. Yo mama house on the hill with a pool and a dish. Hey, and I go see me in a certain group. Me take money a liquor from certain group. Some boy low switch you get easy loot, easy pants, easy shirt, and easy. That's why. Me a Rashid they take long for bus because no easier that we not trust. It not easy for mama the 9 month rope. Me still want to take her up for the market truck. Kicking no. And I be big up yourself. Fresh from where? Canada. You don't know the whole thing. Kicking them out for in a yard. Daily. Where is Rashid? Rashid big up yourself.
Yeah man. Mama Nadine say out over one part. Where's chef there? Chef, come, chef. £1, find the chef and read him that quick. I'll lock off, you know.
Yeah, start it up on the top there. Yeah, man, a bad chef, man. Bad chef. You know, we don't mind no jacket, dog. Yeah. Me nah mind it, no, me nah mind it. Now get no cash and no check, me nah sign it. Make she go look for the daddy and find it. Can't afford no jacket in a this a climate. Tell me how me fi man a pitney way me never make. Me a drive range and the pitney fi wash Chevrolet. My youth a girl ever make a pre never yet. Never play the role of bad boy Chevrolet yet. So me get to know say that girl in a rate man. First night me touch her then she want 8 grand. I bills them to pay. I mean she a wait for.
Chef, well I know. You know over there so every night. I watch all of them Wednesday I go on and chef really there and a bonus.